I just want to do a quick stream just to document the process of how I create my FUDkers. Because I do use AI, but I also use Photoshop and manually touch things up and get it to where I want it to be. So, starting off, this is so the reference image is always going to be the original FUDker drawing, which is the digitized digitized version of this drawing. And I have all my FUDkers. There's a lot more over here, but 51 of them all hand drawn first, and then I digitize them, put them into Photoshop, and touch them up, recolor them based on their name and just the feel I want to get for that character. So there's that, and so yeah, that's the reference image right there. And what I do is use that reference image, and I use this prompt right here on the side to get character ideas, to see what a full body type might look like with the height and weight and certain, just details about what I want that character to be. And using AI generates, different ideas. So you got to give it a second to load up properly, but it gives you all these different body types. You get different face structures, different feels, and from here I just pick the ones that I like. I'll download them, download the file, crop out the head, just so it understands the face that I want. We ignore the body right now. We just find the faces and head styles that we like in all the different angles, and then we'll go ahead and take that. So this one, it took a lot. I couldn't find the ones that I like, so it took a lot of different generations, image generations, and then I finally found one that I liked, and they came out to these. So out of all those different all those different images you saw generated of the character, the four that I liked the most, I took them and put them onto one sheet. And from there, there's certain things about this that I still didn't like, but we were gonna use the face structure and with the prompt that I have given it right here. Actually, let me see. Yeah, this one I was asking it to recolor the neck to, because it was giving it different colors that weren't that. I just wanted whatever was in the original head design. So this color, the blue, the green, maybe a little bit orange. I mean yellow into orange and red. But I guess it did it, but it didn't do it how I wanted. So I was trying to get it to recolor the neck design, and it was just doing a lot of. It wasn't really doing it as I wanted it. And so let me see. I already got rid of that. I'm trying to show the full process, but I kind of already overrid what I did to get. So basically, in Photoshop, I took it in and redid her earrings because, like in all these, it was just giving her different earrings. So I took it into Photoshop and I recolored the necks, all of their necks and all the different angles as the colors I wanted, and then I redid their earrings so it understood to give them all the same type of earrings. And with that and this whole prompt that I have right here, it was giving me these different styles. But I took the one that I liked and I asked it to recolor the eye so it was black and red instead of just blue. And I found the one that I liked, and then I said in this next prompt that I gave it, I basically said the face should be consistent with the body type, and I gave it the height and weight, and it kind of made, it went from a little bit more thin to some, somewhat a little bit bigger because this character is a protector. She's like a bigger female character, and she's a protector. So I like the face structures that it gave it. Found the one that I liked. I believe it was this one. And from there, I liked it, but the eye was sitting too high, like the third eye. One second. Um, yeah, the third eye was sitting too high on the head on all of them, but I liked it, so I went into Photoshop, kind of just cropped out the eyes and placed them down where I wanted to, kind of shaded in the top of the head to fill it up. It's not the cleanest, it's not the smoothest, as you can see, but kind of just did it, smoothed it up, and now I did just ask it to. I just fed it that the final image that I did kind of like messed up right here, and I just fed it in. And in the prompt, I said keep this image exactly the same, upscale image, and I wanted to see if it was gonna kind of clean up the edges, but it kind of left it sloppy like I did it. So I probably have to go in and really just zoom in and touch this up a little bit. But this will be just about the I'm gonna probably go with this one right here. So I'll download it. I'll hop into Photoshop, and since I already got this where I want it, I don't really save these files. I just go ahead and delete everything. I'll go into my downloads, drag that file, the final one right there, and then I'll go ahead and just touch this up so it's nice and smooth and looks like the final version on this side and this one. Really, that's it. Maybe a little bit right here, and then that's how I'll get the final head design, the turnaround sheet. So that's the process. AI plus Photoshop, but it's all comes from my creative thought, and it's all what I'm putting together. So it's my character IP. Is my proof of creation. How I helped design it along with AI, and yeah. Yo, what's good? What's good, bro? What's the art for? It's all my characters I'm designing. So let me show you. I was recording that portion real quick just so I could get a little, document like proof of creation in the process of how I use it along with AI. So people can't just be like, oh, you use AI just to blah blah blah. It's like, yeah, I use AI, but it all comes from my creative process and touching up things how I want it. So I got 51 FUDkers. It's like the first series of characters. I have some more names and characters I want to do, so there'll be another series of some more. But yeah, right now it's 51 FUDkers, zero. I'm down to 40, or I'm up to 45 right now. I still got a few left to finish in this process, but it's like right here, J. Rotheroo. This is the first FUDker number zero. got the face structure. So it's like I've been using my this is my avatar, my PFP, but in the original version. But now I finally created into a more 3D realistic looking character. So there's a lot of things I want to do with it, but all the different styles right there. And then for like 3D models and you know just things I could do in the future, just got those two. I really want to create actual cards where you gotta buy a pack and open them and see which ones you get. So just cool little concepts like this. Then we got Vinny L right here, the homie Vinny L, FUDker number one. Yeah, and I have the same thing for all of them. So right now, this is FUDker 45. Yeah, the FUDkers, bro. Um, yeah, I don't know. It's just something I've been working on for years. I've created them back in probably, I don't know if it's late 2022 or sometime in 2023, but I think I started drawing these in 2022, and then a couple months went by. I was like, oh, let me just put them up on digital form. Take a picture, transfer it into a digital file. I was like, all right, let me see, let me play around with this, and just over the years, just kept having more ideas and just trying to expand on it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I buy a pack of cards, bro. That should be dope as hell. You get like a dope ass hollow, the non-hollows, and you hit like a dope looking design with the hollow. It's just pretty dope. I love that shit. Um, yeah, bro. Remaking them back when we played Rust. Nah. I just started kind of doodling, and I have there was a whole bunch of dope artists on Twitter back in like 2022, and I just would like put all their styles together. Like I liked a little bit of this one, a little bit of that one. Cause I'm gonna just doodle one with all their different styles, and yeah, I kind of just it's like all these were just like doodles at the time. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make that one. Let me doodle that one. Like they were all just like different doodles, and then yeah, like I didn't even know I was gonna be building something at the time or characters. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna just do all these different ones, and then eventually I was like, shit, I'm gonna put them all together. FUDkers. Yo, how you been though, bro? It's been a while, man. It's been a while. You still playing games? You play Counter Strike, bro? Let's hop on some Counter Strike. I've been playing Apex. I just downloaded it the other day for the first time in like a year. I don't know. That's just crazy, man. It's fun, but damn, I forgot about all the third parties and just getting wiped out quick. Like, ah, shit. You really got to lock in and just. It's hard for me to lock in because I got a baby over here, 8 months, almost 9 months right now. So. Playing Subnautica 2. I ain't even heard of that. Alright, so while I'm at it, I'll just start creating the whole body reference and document this process. Alright, so I got the heads, the 3D model heads that I like. Now I'm over here on my other monitor, copying the prompts that I have. Paste this prompt in. I have a sheet of all the characters, their height, weight, their body size, their model, or the details of their body. So right here, Dumpy number 45. Copy this. So I have this prompt set, enter the details of the character. Female. Oops. I need to put in the reference image. Alright, so cancel this one. Might have just woke my baby up. Alright, got the reference image in there, along with the prompts. And I can do 4 unlimited at a time. Unlimited means I'm not wasting any of my credits. It's part of the deal that I got on this platform, Higgsfield. I could turn that off and it will cost 2 credits to generate more, but I'll just do 4 at a time. I want to save my credits to do videos, generate videos, which costs a little bit more. Oh, white trash FUDker. I need to put all the designs together because there's some cool ones. I'm just looking over. I think I woke my baby up. I think she just went back to sleep though. So with these that we're generating right here, it should be like a black suit, a black whole body suit, but with the characters like height and weight and body type, or the body type, and I just gotta determine like, yeah, that looks like the height and weight right there. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds. Sometimes it takes 3 minutes for these generations. But yeah. There's the homie. I need some water. It's the homie Oink right here. Big dude. Let me see. I think Oink is like 7 foot something. I still don't memorize all my characters like that. So I gotta go check the sheet. Oink, 6'8", 300 pounds. All right, so here's FUDker number 45, Dumpy. 5'10", 200 pounds. Would it be like that if she was stacked up like that? Or would she be like that? I think maybe like that. All right, man. You have a good day. Take care, bro. I'll see you when I see you. We're gonna go with this one. So I'll download that, throw it into the file for character development. Dumpy, character assets. Go to my downloads, throw it into there. And now using this one as a reference, I'm going over here to my prompt, copying my prompt, replacing that. And then in this prompt, I want to take out that part. And boom. Generate this 4 times with the unlimited I got. Got some different designs for each FUDker. Well, only for a few FUDkers right now, but I want to do them for all of them. Work on putting together dope ass little animation scenes, clips for social media or whatnot, just to, you know what I mean, get eyes and catch people's attention on the FUDkers. And just put out different ideas of what I could potentially do with them. All right, these are starting to generate now, processing.
Neighborhood FUDkers. Neighborhood FUDkers. The neighborhood FUDkers.
This is a shout out to Suno, Suno.com. I've been subscribed to them. To their basic plan. If I had a little bit more to spend, I would have had the more expensive plan. But I've been signed up to Suno for a while now, few years, however long they've been out. I'm just putting creative concepts, creative prompts, and writing and ideas into creating, dope little theme tracks with Suno. So FUDbuster, with Suno, I create a kind of different theme music ideas. This was for a little browser game I created. FUDkers.xyz. It's FUDkers.xyz. It's my website I created. And then over here in the playground, three different browser games I created so far. Third Eye Trainer is like the first one I made, just a quick funny idea. Then I did How Many FUDkers was the second, and then this theme one that we're hearing right now is FUDbuster. So with those last two I just played, put FUDbuster together, start game.
FUDkers. The neighborhood's fuckers.
I haven't played this in a minute, and I didn't even expect to play it. I just kind of threw it on real quick, so I feel like I'm going slow. I do need to fix it up, so there's little things. If you happen to go on and play, yeah, I need some water, man. If you happen to play and you have suggestions on, how I could fix certain things up or just different ideas, I'm always down to implement it, fix it up. I got so many other things that I don't know. I just did that. So many other things I'm doing right now, taking up my creative time. My time I have to create. But I definitely will. It should be quick fixes. So something I can do really quick. Here, I think I only have a few seconds to start making matches or I lose. I gotta start getting some time back every time you do a successful match. You get a few seconds added. I think I'm about to lose right now. I needed that. Got a few seconds. I think the game stops at a certain point, but I might not get to that point right now. I think I lost right here. I'm not even looking at the time. I don't know how close that guy felt like he got really close. I got some time. Added up some time over here. Whew, it was closer, or it wasn't as close as I thought. Shuffle. There's a shuffle option right here, which doesn't add any time, which I think it should add a penalty, like reduce some time on the clock, but as of right now it doesn't. So that's one edit I want to make. I probably should have just lost right there with the time reduction. lost right there. I thought there was menu music right here, but I guess not. How many FUDkers?
How many FUDkers?
You gotta watch the color sequence, repeat the sequence using the color buttons. Each round adds one more color. So, red, yellow, blue. Red, purple, yellow.
Correct!
Purple, yellow, red, green.
That is correct.
Green, blue, yellow.
That is correct.
Yellow. Red, orange, green, blue, orange.
That is
Green. Wrong. Ah, what? Red, orange, green, blue. Wait, what did I click? That's what I was gonna do. Red, orange, green, blue, orange. Did I not click green? I don't know. Maybe I was thinking too hard, but that's part of the game. That's part of it. I think my highest I got to was 8. I can't pass 8 though. Man, the third eye trainer, where you get to shoot me. I forgot I could move. I haven't played this in so long. Oh my god, alright, hold on. That was bad. Bro, I forgot how to play my own game. So you move around with left and right, which is A and D. And you just hold the mouse to shoot. And then if things get crazy, you can click the space bar. And you have like this blast, boom, everything beat up around you. I can't play my own game. But yeah.
The neighborhood dog.
All that stuff was all made with Suno type of instrumentals and just ideas that I created with Suno. Did I not answer with music? Hold up. So that's one of my websites, Neighborhood OTB.io. So turn the sound on if you want to enter with the sound on. And right now it's just the little vinyl spinning, vinyl crackles. The website's under construction. Right now there's just a lot of fillers and just kind of trying to build an idea of what it's going to look like. I got the FUDkers.xyz. I thought I had music for this one, but I guess not. Definitely got to add music to the site. Alright, kind of the process of how I drew them. Again, I drew all them first on the little poster cards. Uploaded them, digitized them, and then kind of recolored them in Photoshop. But this is just I recorded the process and me doing it on Photoshop, but basically the process of how I would do it on the paper. You can see all the 51 FUDkers right here. Series 1, all the OG styles, what they look like. And then right now I'm doing character development, turning them into 3D full body characters. So that's a process I'm in. I'm about to, well, let's check this. I'm gonna probably go with this one because dumpy is a play on a crypto term dumping, or the chart dumped, and that means it's all red. So she's kind of like a big character, female character that's all red, called Dumpy. The character before her is Pumpy. It's just a green dude, but this kind of plays on green and red charts. So I might do this one right here. But yeah, so I'll throw that into the character development folder, and I'll proceed on to the next character, FUDker number 46. But that's it for now. I just wanted to document the whole process and, you know, just have it out there.